Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction Wednesday 11th December 2024. Today UK 49's lunchtime prediction number, first lunchtime prediction number 6, number 31, number 18, number 44, number 26, booster number 3. Today UK 49's tea time prediction number. Join YouTube channel membership 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number 99% accurate prediction 3 hot number. Join now level 3 UK 49 3 hot number. Join now. Today UK 49's tea time prediction number. First number 4, number 15, number 28, number 39, number 46, booster number 13. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction complete. Like, share, comment and subscribe this YouTube channel now.